Hey, this is Chad with Front Range Auto Solutions. I'm out here looking at a customer's Mercedes, and some of the common questions that we get are, when an insurance company writes their estimate, generally it's significantly less than any other estimate that's written by either a body shop or a paintless dent repair shop or a hail shop. And why is that the case? And to tell you this, I kind of wanted to explore some of the things that insurance companies oftentimes leave off of what their approved repairs are and what we do about it later on, right? So, for instance, this here is a Mercedes, and let's say that it was rear-ended, just a slight bumper job, whatever. Anytime this car comes into our shop, we automatically plug it into a system. We run a diagnostics check on everything. There's sensors all over this vehicle that determine when, if an accident happens, it has to do with the airbags, it has to do with parking, all that kind of stuff. And we want to know immediately if those sensors were jostled in any way once the car comes in. The second thing that we do is we use all Mercedes parts. There's a lot of aftermarket parts out there, counterfeit parts that look exactly the same that just aren't made by Mercedes. And a lot of times insurance companies will write for used parts. And our goal and our duty to you as the customer is to ensure that your car has brand new Mercedes parts. And we do that because all of these parts, this car is one whole unit, has been crash tested multiple different times to ensure your safety. And when you put counterfeit parts on there or used parts on there, you don't have the same safety ability as with brand new Mercedes parts. So one way that we work with the insurance company on your behalf is to say, hey, I appreciate that you want to put a used hood on here, you want to put aftermarket taillights on here, you don't want to check these sensors. Us as the body shop has the obligation to protect our customers. So we work with the insurance company to make sure that these things are approved. We literally sit down, research every recommended procedure from Mercedes for a bumper replacement in this instance, and we print those out and we send them to the insurance adjusters and say, not only do we think that we have to do this for our customers' safety, but here is page upon page upon page of proof of why Mercedes says this has to be done. So to bring this full circle, when you look at an insurance adjuster's initial estimate, for the most part, it's going to be 30 to 50% of what the actual repair cost is going to be. And when you look at our estimate, it's because we've included all the minute details to ensure your safety and to ensure that your vehicle is back to like new condition and exactly as it was prior to your incident. And that is why our price changes are where they are.